What's up, everybody? Ben here with another Facebook Flips video where the items I'm going to show you are pretty much just as good as cash as long as you list them on Facebook. And today's items are Twilight book sets, hardcover books in particular. This right here, you have the first 4. This is a double book. It's got the last book and the first book, but this is 7 books right here. That is the complete hardcover set right there. This really isn't part of Twilight, but it is very heavily associated with it, so I pretty much just consider it part of it. Same author. But yeah, we have quite a bit here. We stock up on them. We grab them whenever we can. Like, we have complete set there. I could sell these 4, these 5. You know, I got 3 full sets here, and then we're sitting on a bunch of Breaking Dawns, eclipses, and new moons. Twilight's somewhat hard for me to come by right now. You're gonna find these two at garage sales, thrift stores, and sometimes even on Facebook Marketplace. You can find a cheap set for like 10 bucks. Very rarely though. I usually just find these at thrift stores for like anywhere from like, I'd say $1.50 to $3.50. And I don't like paying $3.50 for a book, but if I can add, like, if I have a set of 4 and the host is $3.50, I'll pay the $3.50 for it to add it onto this set to facilitate the sale faster. And yeah, when you see these, I mean, they're books, hardcover books. These are durable, big books. They're usually in good, usable condition, but you always want to check the bindings, make sure nothing's falling out. If they don't have the dust cover, I would pass on it. And unless you're gonna buy like the complete set of paperback, I would pass on paperback books. And I mean, if you have, like, say these 4 and you need this and this is paperback, I guess you could include it, but I wouldn't. The hardcover are just worth that much more. And yeah, you just want to kind of take a look at them, make sure, you know, they're not like stained, too many pages, bent, ripped. All these things can devalue them, but usually these are always in good condition. And yeah, I sell these kind of non-stop. It's like an item I'm always constantly selling. Sometimes they'll move quick, sometimes not. I think it depends on the time of the year. I find summer books move a little slower, and then they pick up, you know, when school starts and the winter hits. More people are reading books. But I'd say the more books you have in the series, like if I have 4, it'll sell, but if I have 5, it'll sell faster. And this will sell faster, like the whole 7. Like, the more you have to complete it, the more you'll get per book, if that makes sense. Yeah, so say like these 4, I can usually get 20, sometimes, very rarely, 25. But if I add 1 more book to it, there's a decent chance I'll get 30 for it. You know, so it increases the amount I get per book. And these down here, you know, 30 for these 5. These 7, I would think I'd get about 50 for it. So you have 50 for 7 books, you know, you're getting a little more than 7 per book. And 7 books, I mean, because this is like a double book. Normally these would be 2 separate books. But yeah, when I'm looking for these, I mean, I just get as many as I can and just collect them. And I do that with a lot of books. And I just collect them, and then over time I just make sets, and then I have backup sets. And I have, you know, a Twilight book series pre-listing in my notes. So I just have to take pictures with these new ones, and I pretty much already have the listing pre-made because I've sold it over and over before. But taking pictures, I always take one. It's like very easy. Book sets are easy to take pictures of, right? I would take one just like this, right in the front. One with these corners, one with these corners, and then say these books aren't behind them. Okay, this is the wall. I take pictures like that, and then with them all on their backs. And if there's like a flaw I should point out, I'll take a close-up of it, like some like big rip or huge rip in the dust cover, something like that. So pictures are easy, and I'll use this one as the first picture, not the stack on the side. I find this one to be the best picture of them all because they can just more clearly see the books, you know, instead of the picture like this scrolling on your phone. You might not read what these are from far away, but this way you can see the picture better. That's how I find it. And yeah, these are pretty much a Facebook Marketplace only kind of item. You can't really sell them on eBay because they're big, heavy. Shipping is just too much. Shipping would probably be more than like what this book set would cost, or roughly the same. It's not worth it. So this is a good perpetual Facebook Marketplace item that always sells and always has been around the same value over time. And books are good. They're durable, they last forever, they don't go bad, you know, so they're a good thing to resell. I resell a lot of book sets, which I will show others in different videos. Alright, so that's the process for me buying and selling Twilight hardcover book series, book sets on Facebook Marketplace. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Peace.